Nothing, Dingo? Nothing?
Oh God! Look! Oh
my god!
Okay, Dad, you gotta grab the glass. Come on, you gotta get. Oh, he's got the fish! Oh my God!
Oh my god!
Lu lòng.
Luồng.
Let go. Winnie! Let go. Winnie! Get. Oh my god. Winnie! Let go of my panties! Oh my god! Winnie! Stop!
Be gentle.
How did that get stuck to your face?
Oh my God.
Ah! I just hit her in the face!
Oh. Let go! Stop it! Bang! Yes.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature? Very mindful, very demure. Stop! That thing could probably jump over the fence.
What? Huh?
来，看给我跳来。
Let us high five. Tell him to give you a high Kayla, you gotta give him $1. He won't do it unless you give him $1. Wait, no. Wait.
You're not going outside again. No. Lay down. Lay down. No. Lay your ass down. Lay down.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Go!
By the time I get back, I can always leave.
Weasel came along, our family made an honest living stealing dino eggs. An honest living, stealing, kind of ironic, don't you think?
Have you ever hung out with a Chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a Chihuahua? Do you know a Chihuahua personally? I don't believe you.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working.
My dog's broken.
Yep. Santa Claus is very upset with you.
Louie. Puppies. 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 Oh!
The dog stole Kane's paddle. And you can hear the kid in the background screaming, "Give me my paddle."
Show me your teeth. Let me see them. Smile. Reggie, don't eat him.
Mwah.
No me muerda, no. ¡Ay, carajo! No, no, no me muerda.
Sit. Avada Kedavra. Good boy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What have you done? What have you done? Laurie. Oh.
Hello. ¡Hola, Carlos!
Blue, no.
狗呢？狗呢？狗在你面前呢，狗呢？躺你怀里了。你也别弄他一脸油漆，好恶心。
Щебетуня. Пошла вон. And then what happened?
Hello. Hello, Jackie. You look nice.
Smile. Smile.
Oh, buddy. Oh my goodness. It's okay.
To you. Happy birthday to you. She actually might be enjoying it.
When you try to work out with a dog, this is what happens. She thinks it's a toy. Callie.
It's whack-a-doodle time. It is whack-a-doodle time.
What's this?
What's this? What have you done?
What's this?
What have you done? You're naughty.
Where are you going?
Shame.
Betty, what's this?
You ready? Roll over. Roll over. Up. Alright, you ready? Ready?
This cunt's fucking locked his truck keys inside and he's relying on Marley to open the window. Fucking hell. That's the most fucking fucked up bullshit I've ever seen.
Today, we're gonna try a tidbit. You're gonna take a small, gentle bite.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Gizzy, what did I say the house rules were? Well, that's better than my rug, babe. That's a win. That's a win.
Let's go, son. Let's go. It's time to get up.
With it, group drop.
Is that my package? She's a nut job. Ow, hey, that is ratchet. Don't do that. Do not pull hair.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
Stop. Good.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Freaking
Oh, hello. What do you want? Do you want your friend to come out? Do you want Chewy to come play? Chewy, come. You have a friend.
Regardez l'escargot. T'aimes pas? T'aimes pas l'escargot?
Gentle buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. You got an itch, buddy boy? Charlie? Itching your back? Itching your back?
Ow!
Rusty, what are you doing? Rusty. Rusty, what?
Come on. She doesn't want to go. Let's go. No, she doesn't want to go. Let's go.
Just look here quickly, man. You must wanna say that it's just a baby and sweet and whatever, no? Look at that face there, no? And then look here, man. What is going on here? Look here. What the hell is going on here? Huh? What is this here? You don't listen, no?
Riley, if you don't throw that goddamn ball away. No.
Oh, Windy has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you. Oh. Close the door. Sweetie, come on. Close it. Close the door. Yeah.
Stop, you hoe! I'm so sorry I said that.
What are you doing, Milo?
Hey! Hey! Treat! You want a treat? There we go.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello! Hello! Are you comfortable, Mabel?
When you wake up face to face with them. If you're hungry, I brought home some mutton and coconut milk.
No, I can still see you. Go. Get out. Ah! Oh my God. Go. Go on.
No. Let me put my shoes on. Let me put my shoe out.
Olive, are you ready for your walk? Bye, have fun.
Who did this? Who did this?
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La, 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 la.
Yes, he is. He's listening. You're listening, Frankie. Eh?
Hey Frank, do you want lunch? You already went to Bojangles. You didn't call me? I appreciate that, buddy. I'll see you in a little bit then.
You get that interest. This is what's important.
No. No.
Pavlov. Pavlov.
You were very impressive.
Pavlov, what are you doing?
There's your buddy. There's the buddy.
Oh.
Charlie.
37 years ago last week, Eddie Murphy Raw premiered.
We have to go take a bath. Lucy, you have to go take a bath.
Oh, God, you scared me.
I should get my burpees.
Nah.